Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix dev error 5A20 in Modern Warfare 3. So first thing you have to do is restart the game. Just simply close and reopen the game to clear minor bugs and refresh your session. Second method is to disable on-demand texture streaming. So what you're gonna do is go to settings, tap on graphics, then go to quality and tap on details and textures. Turn off the on-demand texture streaming, which can improve stability. For the third method is to disable in-game overlays. Turn off overlays like Steam, Discord, or GeForce Experience, which can interfere with the game. Fourth method is to verify game files. This is applicable on PC. So what you're gonna do is in Steam, right-click on the Modern Warfare 3, tap on the properties, then go to local files. And then what you're gonna do is just tap on verify integrity of game files to check for missing or corrupted files. And then lastly is to update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date by visiting NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel's official website. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!